This is the construct. It's our loading program. We can load anything from clothing to equipment, weapons, training simulations, anything we need.
So, what is NVIDIA Cosmos? Remember that incredible scene in The Matrix where Neo gets plugged in for the first time, open his eyes, and says, I know.
Hell yeah. I know Kung Fu.
Mind blowing, right? He learned material arts in seconds inside a virtual world before fighting for real. Well, guess what? NVIDIA Cosmos is making this kind of virtual training for real. And it gets even better. Remember when Trinity needed to fly a helicopter to save Neo? Bam! She downloaded the pilot program and suddenly knows how to fly. That's exactly what we are doing with robots today. Minus the whole plugging into the matrix thing. But let me get a bit more technical. Just like in Big Hero 6, remember how Biomax had this amazing healthcare chip that stored on all his medical knowledge? NVIDIA Cosmos is even cooler because it uses something called synthetic data generation and physics based simulation. And here's where it gets really cool. Let me introduce you to Spot, our robot friend. Just like Neo and Trinity trained in their virtual dojo, Spot needs to learn how to work in factories. But we can't just throw Spot into a real factory full of expensive equipment. That would be like sending Neo to fight Agent Smith without any training. Instead, NVIDIA Cosmos create this amazing virtual world where robots can practice over and over. Make a mistake? No problem. Unlike the Matrix, where getting unplugged means, well, in Cosmos, we just hit restart and try again. This is where it gets insane. Just like how self driving cars need to learn to drive safely, NVIDIA Cosmos create virtual cities where they can practice stopping perfectly in red lights, watching out for people crossing, driving safely in the rain, parking like a pro. Think about it. Just like Neo become a kung fu master and Trinity become a helicopter pilot in their virtual world, you could become a robot trainer, teaching robots to be as skilled as Neo, a car brain architect helping cars learn Trinity learn to fly, a simulated world builder creating training worlds even cooler than the Matrix. So this the best part, this isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. Companies are already looking for future tech samurai like you to help train their robots and AI systems.
The next frontier of AI is physical AI. Model performance is directly related to data availability, but physical world data is costly to capture, curate, and label. NVIDIA Cosmos is a world foundation model development platform to advance physical AI. It includes auto-regressive world foundation models, diffusion-based world foundation models, advanced tokenizers, and an NVIDIA CUDA, an AI-accelerated data pipeline. Cosmos models ingest text, image, or video prompts and generate virtual world states as videos. Cosmos generations prioritize the unique requirements of AV and robotics use cases, like real-world environments, lighting, and object permanence. Developers use NVIDIA Omniverse to build physics-based, geospatially accurate scenarios, then output Omniverse renders into Cosmos, which generates photoreal, physically based synthetic data. Whether diverse objects or environments, conditions like weather, or time of day, or edge case scenarios. Developers use Cosmos to generate worlds for reinforcement learning AI feedback to improve policy models, or to test and validate model performance. Even across multi-sensor views, Cosmos can generate tokens in real time, bringing the power of foresight and multiverse simulation to AI models, generating every possible future to help the model select the right path. Working with the world's developer ecosystem, NVIDIA is helping advance the next wave of physical AI.
And speaking of future opportunities, let me break down the top 10 most exciting jobs you could land with NVIDIA Cosmos. These are perfect for your future tech samurai who wants to shape the world of tomorrow. Number 1, robot teacher. Do you love helping others learn? As a robot teacher, you create virtual spaces where robots can practice tasks like lifting boxes or organizing shelves. The knowledge and tools you need: Python for coding behaviors and simulation like NVIDIA Isaac to design practice environment. Car brain designer. Imagine being the architect behind self-driving vehicles' minds. You'll teach cars to navigate complex city environments just like Trinity learned to fly that helicopter. Tools and knowledge you need: C++ and Python programming, geographic modeling skills, and deep learning and computer vision expertise. Robot playground builder. You are basically creating the matrix but for robots. Design virtual playgrounds using NVIDIA Omniverse where robots can practice thousands of scenarios. Tools you need: 3D environment design mastery, game engine experience, physics simulation knowledge. Number 4, safety protocol designer. Just like how Asimov's robots needed their 3 laws, you'll create and test safety rules in the virtual world before robots interact with humans. Tools and knowledge you need: risk assessment skills, knowledge of robot ethics, programming safety parameters. Factory helper creator. Design the next generation of industrial robots that work alongside humans like a well choreographed dance. Tools and knowledge you need: robot operating system, workflow optimization, collaborative robotics programming. Disaster response simulator. Create virtual training scenarios that prepare robots for emergency response, like training Iron Man suit for any situation. Tools and knowledge you need: real-time AI analytics, emergency response protocols, and advanced simulation development. Underwater explorer designer, like designing for NASA but for the ocean depth. Create simulation for underwater robots to navigate the unexplored. The tools and knowledge you need: underwater robotics expertise, fluid dynamics simulation, sensor system integration. AI sports coach. Combine game theory and robotics to create the ultimate robot athletes. Imagine training a team for Robot World Cup. Tools you need to know: game theory algorithms, sports physics simulation, AI behavior programming. Space station robot trainer. Design simulations for robots that will work in zero gravity. It's literally rocket science. Tools and knowledge you need: zero gravity physics modeling, space robotics systems, advanced 3D simulation. AI artist and collaborator creates system where robots can understand and create art, pushing the boundaries of creativity itself. Tools and knowledge you need for this: digital art expertise, AI creative systems, and neural network architecture. And if you thought this was mind blowing, just wait, because we are only getting started. I'm launching complete series of covering everything NVIDIA is doing to revolutionize AI and technology, including NVIDIA Omniverse, CUDA, Drive, Isaac Sim, Broadcast, RTX, Metropolis, Clara, and most importantly, I'm also creating a full series of NVIDIA Cosmos tutorial. In these videos, we'll dive deeper into how to use Cosmos, explore its features, and learn step by step together. Here's the thing. I'm not just making tutorials for sake of videos. I am making these because I want to learn and grow alongside you. Creating these videos means I get to study, experiment, and share my knowledge in a way that makes sense for everyone. So if you're curious about NVIDIA Cosmos and how to get started, you are in the right place. Let's learn together. So if you want to join this AI revolution and learn how you can be part of these incredible technologies, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share the video with friends who love tech, and drop a comment below telling me which NVIDIA technology you want to learn about next. Remember, Tech Samurai, the future isn't years away. It is happening right now. You can be part of it. Peace out.